What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Design, and today we're going to be installing the new NIA splitter on my own personal Lexus GS350. Stay tuned. Alright guys, first I want to talk a little bit about the NIA splitter. The advantages of buying a real NIA splitter is that 1, it comes with the pre-drilled holes. 2, it's available painted in many colors. In this case, we have it color matched in ultra white, but we do have it available in matte black, gloss black, satin black, even F-Sport gray, which is the same color as your grille. 3, all front splitters are reinforced on the bottom so they can actually take a nice hit if your car is lowered. And lastly, each NIA kit is specifically designed for each vehicle. If you notice, all the grooves, that's for your bumpers, and all the body lines are designed specifically for this Lexus GS F-Sport 2013 through 15. Alright guys, if you notice on the NIA splitter, you're gonna see 2 different type of holes, one smaller than the other one. The ones in the back, the bigger ones, those are for your factory bolts. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna locate all the factory bolts that position to this, and we're gonna remove them. The advantage of using an ABS plastic to make these splitters is that it can actually hold its own weight. Unlike urethane and other materials, ABS will not work with the heat. ABS is also sturdy but flexible enough to take hits on the road without cracking. With the purchase of the NIA splitter, you're gonna receive all your support screws. For this installation, you're gonna need a clip remover, a stubby Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and we recommend an angle driver for a fast installation. Alright guys, first things first, you want to wipe down the bottom of the car, make sure there's no rocks, anything stuck underneath, so we get a nice clean installation. Just get a clean rag and just a quick little wipe. Alright guys, when installing the NIA splitter, always think safety first. If your car is lowered, use jack stands for safety. In this case, we're going to use the angle driver, and the car is equipped with airbag suspension. Alright guys, after you located all the factory bolts that you need to remove, just grab your 10mm socket and just start removing them. Alright guys, once you removed all the factory bolts, locate the 2 splash guards underneath, and then just grab your 10mm and remove all the bolts underneath that supports them. Alright guys, once you remove the splash guard, just use that same bolt and bolt it back on. That way, none of your splash guards are loose. Alright guys, this is when you get a friend or family member to help you install the kit. So basically, what you do is just align everything underneath. Bolt that you removed on the corner to hold it up. Alright guys, now that all the factory bolts are holding up the splitter, make sure they're still kind of loose. When we put the support screws, you still want to move them around to make sure they're all aligned perfectly. Alright guys, so now you get your angle driver and make sure you screw in only halfway with the drill. That way you don't over tighten and strip the bumper. Alright guys, I like to do the corners first. That way you align everything perfectly. So once that corner is done, come back to this corner and do the same thing. Alright guys, once both corners are done, do the same thing for all the centers. Alright guys, now what we're going to do is tighten up all the factory bolts. Alright guys, now that all the screws are in halfway, get your stubby screwdriver and then make sure you hand tighten every single one of them. Alright guys, once all the screws are tight, you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus GS. And if you have any questions, just comment below. We'll get right back at you.